Yo, what's good? It's your boy Zay, back with another video. And for today's video, I'm getting out with a little tutorial. I know I ain't been active, but I'm gonna try to get back active. Your boy got a lot of stuff going on, but I'm gonna get back right. But I'm getting out with a little tutorial video today on how to do like an overlay, like a live stream overlay, a little live stream overlay, or like just a regular channel overlay. You see on my channel it has like the Zay streams, and on my YouTube and my Twitch, something like that, So yeah, here's an example of what it would look like this. Shout out to my boy Perry, something like that. So what you would do is first you'll go to 𝗢𝗙𝗘𝗥𝗟𝗔𝗬. It's free, by the way, free. And then once you get to 𝗢𝗙𝗥𝗟𝗔𝗬, you're gonna hit create new. And you want to make sure this thing is checked off on no, so it's no background and it's transparent. You can make the title whatever you want. Hit create, and once you create it, you're gonna want to go in the description of this video and download all these, even the font too. I already got them downloaded, so I'm not gonna download it. But you just right click, boom, download. Right click, boom, download. Once you download it, it's gonna be in your files. And whatever socials you want to put on your theme, you're gonna go to your downloads on your computer, boom, insert it, put add current, and then boom, you put it to the size you want it, just like that. Boom, you want to add another social, go back, download another one, boom, you want to put YouTube, boom, add your YouTube. Like that. Put it to how you want it. Put the YouTube right there. Let's say if your YouTube and Twitch are your YouTube and your TikTok's the same, it's gonna be easier. But I'm gonna show you. Let's say if your socials are different. So make sure you have the text downloaded, because this is the nice text you're gonna want to have. You're gonna hit the T for the text. Double click, add, boom. Type in your YouTube. I'm just gonna put your name, all caps. Boom, select it, go to font, put the font we just downloaded, boom, make the size to whatever you want it. I'm just gonna make it something like this. Then you're gonna go to style, outline, check it on, go to this, make it black, press OK, then put this to like 75. Boom. Once it's at 75, what you're gonna do is you're gonna duplicate it, so it's two of them. Bam. Put it near your thing, just like that. Boom. Other one. Boom, just like that. Bam. And then what you could do is, once you just get it how you want it, you just gotta play around with it. But this is the way how to do it. And then boom, just like that. You can add it if you want to add in another thing. You can do it just like that. But this is what you need. Y'all need to download this so it's easy and y'all not looking it up, all these PNGs. And once you arrange it how you want it and everything like that, I'm gonna show you how I did mine. It's gonna look like, what's it called? Like this. This is mine. It's the one I do for my channel. It's gonna look something like that. Once you just make it the size you want, you just gotta play around with it, and it's gonna come out something like that. And then you download it. And once you download it, you could put it. When you playing your videos, you could put it on, like, you could put it for the whole duration of the video, and it's gonna have your social showing. It's gonna look something like that. And boom, yeah. Let me know if this video is helpful for you guys. Leave a comment down below if y'all want me to do another tutorial. But I'm out. Make sure y'all drop a comment, like, comment, and subscribe.